Hello, everyone. Let's take a look at what students see with respect to schedules. So I'm going to go in here as a student. So I am a current student, and I want to check out the Wolf Web. All right, so apparently I've logged in recently, so it just let me right in, and I want to know about my schedule. And here's my schedule. All right, so I can see I'm taking a programming class and an ag class and a yoga class and course schedule. Let's click for details. Well, that doesn't look very helpful, does it? A little more description. All right, so apparently this does not have a meeting room. All right, let's go back and see what else we can find out about my schedule. How about my ag class? Section is penned. Interesting. What does that mean? Not really sure. Oh, campus main. I'm not sure what main means. Building, room, PDT farm, Pendleton Farm. Okay, that's possible. Let's keep looking. Oh, and it shows some days. That's a lot of places I got to go to figure out what the hell my schedule is, but that's okay. We'll sort it out. Oh, this one has a building. PDT Mac Meds. All right, so so apparently my classes, some of my classes meet. I'm not sure about that, the programming class. That wasn't quite clear. Let's go back to the current students page here. And let's reload this. I seem to be missing a button. There it is, my class schedule. So here's Greg's new tool. Let's authorize. And my course schedule. And let's see, it doesn't recognize my student account here. Right, because CNS has some trouble with whether you're a faculty or a student, you can't be both. So I have to go to a different personality for that one. So let's go here, and the students won't have that problem. That's just a problem I'm having because I am both a teacher and a student, and CNS is confused about that. So current students, my class schedule, authorize. This time I should find my classes correctly. Ah, thank you, Greg. This is much more clear. So I have this yoga class that is on ground. It has times, and now I can clearly see where it meets here. I have my Pendleton on ground ag class, and I see the times, and it meets via Zoom. Okay, so that's different than what CNS said, so we'll have to investigate that. And then the 133 is online, and it meets through Canvas, and there's no meeting times. Okay, so a little more clear than the CNS view of my student schedule. And then we have some nice descriptions here of what online, on ground, hybrid meets, and that should get in touch with my instructor for more information. Very nice. Another note, let's go back to the student portal here. I can get a PDF of my class schedule. So let's take a look at that also to see if that's any more clear than the CNS view. That's fine. Oops, I accidentally did it twice apparently. Okay, so what do we got here? We have two classes with meeting times, my ag class and my yoga class, but not my programming class. And I can see I have an on ground And the ag class does not show a location here, although it did in that other view in CNS, if you recall. The yoga class clearly shows the meeting place. All right, so the ag class has some confusion as to how it meets. So it looks like instructors need to double check about their class meeting and how it's going to be delivered. All right, so again, we have a few things. We have the CNS schedule, where we have to go to get more details about each course. We have the print version, which kind of takes this along with those details together. And then we have this new tool Greg had that puts that all together in a little bit cleaner place with contact information for the teacher right away, so they can say, hey, I want to double check about how this class meets. All right, still got a little work to do, but we're getting better.